Go to muscleupdetailspray.com and pick you up some merch. Rolling up to the Cars and Copters out here in Huntington Beach. This is one of the bigger car shows out here on the West Coast, Southern California, outside of Monterey Car Week, where you see a lot of the hypercars, supercars, exotic cars. I'm gonna stroll through here and let you guys get a sneak peek of what they're working with. Muscle up, subscribe, share the channel. Make sure you guys support, represent. You've seen this before. This is Thor, the Koenigsegg that's infamously known all over the internet. An insane hypercar. Carbon fiber everywhere. This thing is sick. You never get tired of looking at it though, even though you've seen it multiple times. And this is a sister car. The guy that owns this one owns the other car too. This is Vader. Ridiculous engineering on this car. Ferrari, actually GT40, the Ford hypercar. Ridiculous right here. Performance is just staggering. It's right up there with the Koenigsegg as far as performance. I don't think the top end is as high, but it does what it does. McLaren 720. Got that bright green. Now I heard that when you see a Mercedes AMG with the stars, or actually the crest sign on the back, that means that person's been allocated the one. So this person is gonna get the Mercedes hypercar that's gonna be coming out here real soon. And they're letting them know that they on the list. This is a cool color. You haven't seen too many in this color combination. I haven't seen any actually in this color combination as far as the Carrera GT. Lamborghini STO in the house. What do you do the rest of the day? VF Engineering Supercharged Lambo. Pretty sick, man. I know a lot of people are doing turbo these days, but it's still cool to see supercharged. Supercharged Audi R8 V10. Classic right here. Old school 190 with a modern Rentrek drivetrain. This is sick. This is my type of car right here, man. This is a German hot rod. Oh yeah. This is the business right here. Sephora GT looking pretty clean.
What you're asking me, reach brought me back. The air too far to rescue.